Hello, my name is Wesley and today I'll be helping you to make a Wix site. So in this video I'll be going over the basics of it, how to set up your account, and how to start your website. So the first part of the video will be a time lapse of me designing a quick website that took me just 30 minutes to make. This way you can just pause and see what stuff I did if you want to add it to your own. And then after that I'll be explaining it in a bit more detail, how to use the different buttons and all. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So this is the website that I made. It was a quick 30-minute thing, and it doesn't have so much detail, but it has the basics. So I had a quick time lapse showing how I made the website, and now I'm going to be explaining like how to get started with Wix and how to use it. So as you can see, the website has many features like the map, contact details, blog, and many more. This makes it very interactive and very professional looking. To start off, you're going to have to make an account like you can see here. You can sign in with Google or your email. Alright, so now a page like this will appear and you'll have to click Create New Site. Now it's going to ask you some types of questions, so it customizes it for you. So first click Blog or Business. Both are really good, have good templates. Now there's ADI and Create Your Website with Editor. I recommend Create Your Website with the editor because you can choose multiple templates, but whatever suits you is good. So as you see, there are many different templates, and you can actually filter them based on your choice. So if you even click food and travel, you can filter them. However, on the first page, out of the many ones, I found already that's one that's pretty suitable, which is a travel blogs site. This one is pretty good because it clearly has a nice blog and has a nice theme to it, and shows everything. Now what will pop up is a homepage code. This is only necessary if you're used to JavaScript. If not, you can simply close this. This is just to use API and run tests, but it's not needed right now. So you can just close that by minimizing it. Now the next thing you'll have to do, just get used to it. So wherever you click, you can customize things. So you see, for example, where I go to pages, you can actually edit different areas of the website. So this is just one page. But for example, if I click on blog or any other website page, it goes to a different page. And that's based on the buttons that you click, so you can set that up and write on each part. This is also a very useful tool, and make sure you familiarize with this. It's pretty straightforward and simple. You can link it very easily. There's zero code required, so that also makes it very simple. Now the next thing is background. This you can use to change your background. So you can clearly see, like if I'm, for example, I'm doing the city of Amsterdam for this example, but this doesn't suit Amsterdam. So I can change the image by clicking on change background, and I can actually drag and drop my files as you see over here. It takes a little while to load in, but once it is, you can just click change background and it's done. So this you can use to customize with anything. Just click on it and click manage posts or change background. For example, here I can actually edit the blog, which you saw in the time lapse. See, as I open it, then it's taking a while to load. And you see here are the template blogs, which you can simply click the edit button and change it with your own images and your own text. This is a very useful tool, and it's usually in many website templates. You just click on it and I can just change it. For example, traveling to Amsterdam. Please mind my bad spelling over there. That's pretty easy because you can easily edit everything. Now if that doesn't show up in your template, you can always click the add button, and here are multiple different things that you can add to customize your website even more. As you see down here on blog, you can simply drag and drop it if it's not there already. Now over here, I really like this template. I recommend you use it, but it's your choice because it's a very good travel site. It has everything like a contact information and looks pretty formal and professional. The nice thing about Wix is that it takes a very short time. It's not that hard to use, and it's pretty simple. And if you need anything, you can always use the help button on top if I didn't explain enough. Now, as you're editing, make sure you save, and you can actually hit preview and see your site, like how it would look like once published. So this way you can click on stuff and interact with the buttons to make sure your site is perfectly working. For example, here I'm typing in my email as an example to show you that I can subscribe. By clicking subscribe, it actually sends an email to you, and whenever you make a new post, it gives you a notification, which is a pretty good feature. There are many more features, so feel free to use any and customize them. So once you're comfortable with everything on your website and you've tested it out properly, click the publish button. This way it's live for everybody to view, and that way your teachers can see it properly. Unfortunately, you can't customize your domain as that's a Wix Premium feature, which costs money. However, if you like, you can get Wix Premium. It's not necessary though. Also, I will be linking mine on the description and it's on the screen, the template that I just made, and you can use that as reference if you like. You can message me or comment down below if you have any questions, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. Anyway, see you next time. Bye.